Sleep is one of the most important activities for good health. When thinking about getting the sleep you need, it is normal to focus on how many hours of sleep you get. While sleep duration is undoubtedly important, it is not the only part of the equation. It is also critical to think about sleep quality and whether the time spent sleeping is actually restorative. During sleep, your body cycles through 4 different stages. Progressing smoothly multiple times through the sleep cycle, composed of 4 separate sleep stages, is a vital part of getting high-quality rest. Each sleep stage plays a part in allowing the mind and body to wake up refreshed. These all impact your brain waves, muscle relaxation, recovery, and breathing. It's no secret that sleep is one of the most important activities for good health. When we sleep, our bodies take time to repair muscles, grow bones, manage hormones, sort memories. In this video, we'll explore these stages of sleep. Stages of sleep. Non-REM sleep happens first and includes 3 stages. The last stage of non-REM sleep is when you sleep deeply. It's hard to wake up from this stage of sleep. REM sleep happens about an hour to an hour and a half after falling asleep. REM sleep is when you tend to have vivid dreams. Non-rapid eye movement, NREM. NREM sleep is divided into 3 substages: stage N1, stage N2, and stage N3. Older classification had 4 stages of NREM sleep. In the current rules, NREM stage 3 and NREM stage 4 are combined as stage N3. NREM sleep is composed of 3 different stages. The higher the stage of NREM sleep, the harder it is to wake a person up. Stage 1. Stage 1, also called N1, is essentially when a person first falls asleep. This stage normally lasts just 1 to 7 minutes. This stage of non-REM sleep is the typical transition from wakefulness to sleep and generally lasts only a few minutes. During N1 sleep, the body has not fully relaxed, though the body and brain activities start to slow with periods of brief movements. There are light changes in brain activity associated with falling asleep in this stage. It is easy to wake someone up during this sleep stage, but if a person is not disturbed, they can move quickly into stage 2. As the night unfolds, an uninterrupted sleeper may not spend much more time in stage 1 as they move through further sleep cycle. NREM stage 2 N2. This next stage of non-REM sleep comprises the largest percentage of total sleep time and is considered a lighter stage of sleep from which you can be awakened easily. This is the stage before you enter deep sleep. During stage 2, or N2, the body enters a more subdued state, including a drop in temperature, relaxed muscles, and slowed breathing and heart rate. At the same time, brain waves show a new pattern and eye movement stops. Stage 2 sleep can last for 10 to 25 minutes during the first sleep cycle, and each N2 stage can become longer during the night. Collectively, a person typically spends about half their sleep time in N2 sleep. NREM stage N3. This final stage of non-REM sleep is the deepest sleep stage. Stage N3 sleep is known as slow wave, or delta, sleep. Your body performs a variety of important health-promoting tasks in this final non-REM stage, and it is harder to wake someone up if they are in this phase. Muscle tone, pulse, and breathing rate decrease in N3 sleep as the body relaxes even further. Experts believe that this stage is critical to restorative sleep, allowing for bodily recovery and growth. It may also bolster the immune system and other key bodily processes. Rapid eye movement, REM, sleep is the stage of sleep where most dreams happen. During REM sleep, brain activity picks up, nearing levels seen when you are awake. At the same time, the body experiences atonia, which is a temporary paralysis of the muscles, with 2 exceptions: the eyes and the muscles that control breathing. Even though the eyes are closed, they can be seen moving quickly, which is how this stage gets its name. Under normal circumstances, you do not enter a REM sleep stage until you have been asleep for about 90 minutes. As the night goes on, REM stages get longer, especially in the second half of the night. While the first REM stage may last only a few minutes, later stages can last for around an hour. In total, REM stages make up around 25% of sleep in adults.